Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We got a 2017 Yz450F. Pretty decent shape. I think it's got about 40 hours on it. It's got a Hinson cover, but underneath it's a Rekluse clutch, the fully automatic clutch. First time I ever rode one of those. Really cool thing to ride with. And it's got a FMF exhaust on it. I really don't know that much more about it other than, aftermarket radiators on it. And pretty decent shape all around. And when I rode it, everything seemed to work well. Good strong power, good strong bike. And the only thing is that clutch is really different, that automatic clutch. It's the first time I've ridden one of those. So let me fire this back up again. You can see not a ton of hours. The foot pegs are real tight in the frame yet. When I shifted, it felt good and solid. The Kickstarter is still really tight and firm on the case. So yeah, I don't know much about the bike, but I really don't think it has very much time on it. It sounded good, it ran good, it shifted good and snug, didn't feel sloppy. I'm assuming the parts from this bike are going to be great. Everything's good. The brakes worked great. I think that's an oversized caliper on there. So subscribe down below, see what else we're taking apart. Let us know what you need off this bike. You can see on our eBay site what's still for sale. You can get a hold of me directly down below. Thanks for watching.